Auscultation of the heart practice class. Your name?
My name is Srihari. I am from 222 group, and today we are going to discuss about auscultation of heart.
Okay.
And auscultation of heart consists of 5 points. And first point is it is a mitral valve. It is present fifth intercostal space, mid clavicular, and 1.5 inches inner side.
Okay.
And next point, pulmonary point, and it is present at a second intercostal space and left border of the sternum. Yeah. And next point is aortic point, and it is present at right side second intercostal space and right border of the sternum.
Okay. First and second. 1, 2, this.
And next it is aortic tricuspid valve, and it is located at xiphoid process. And final point, it is Hebs of Burkinoff point, and it is located at third intercostal space and left border of the sternum.
Okay, fine.
After expression of auscultation of heart, I observed that I listened a clear sound from 2 points. It is mitral valve and pulmonary valve. Tricuspid valve. Sorry.
Okay.